Alright guys, let's get it. I just finished up trading with the Discord. Today was a W. We hit the first TP, got entered right here, close stop loss to break even, and all TPs got hit at the end of the day. But yeah, I secured profit, everyone got paid. And also here's some transparency that I actually took it, bought it right here, boom, and we was in the live call. And yeah guys, there's gonna be a huge update on the premium side of the Discord because I want everyone to succeed. I want everyone to learn and make as much money as possible. Yeah, but yeah, good way to end the week with a W in the charts. And yeah, obviously my day didn't start here. I already recorded like 3 videos because I'm gonna, like I told you, I'm gonna upgrade the premium section of the Discord. Gonna make sure that everyone will learn and make money. But yeah, W's. But yeah guys, now I'ma like do something inside the house and probably head outside today, okay? Because it's Friday. Let's get it. Today's trade was good. I don't normally have partials. Today we had partials just because I explained everything inside the call, and I also posted this trade recap which also explained it. So check that trade recap after you have watched this video. So let's get it. Literally guys, it's Friday. Probably gonna go see some friends. May even swim today. Swim because it's such a good weather out there. Like literally guys, I'm telling you, it's summer. You should have fun, but you should also grind hell hard, like hell hard, bro. You don't want to go to university. You don't want to end up in a job that you don't like, okay? Obviously I'm not saying there's anything wrong working a job like I was flipping burgers just to fund my live account. But obviously I didn't need to go there, but I was too focused on my goals, bro, so I went there. I was flipping burgers for like a couple of months, and I quit the job, and now I trade and record these little videos for you guys. That's what I do, guys, but stay focused, bro. Tunnel vision, okay? Alright guys, I'm gonna go outside. Let's get it. White feet. Let's get it. Yo, what up? We're here again. Swimming. Let's get it, bro. I mean, it's fucking cold. It's fucking cold. This shit, it looks warm, but it's like an ice bath. Feel me? It is gold. It's cold. Gold. Let's go.
Jump in, man.
Okay, this is part 2. Remember 1 week ago I was here, man. This shit is cold. Cold.
It ain't cold, mate.
Are you sure?
Oh shit, it's swimming.
Yo, what up? About to go home soon. About to edit some videos when I'm at home. You feel me? Like just producing some content. Let's get it. Yo, what's good? It's like 1 a.m. Let's go. 1 a.m. Walking my dog. Let's get it. Bro, it's so funny. I should be sleeping right now, bro, but it's so easy to fuck up your sleeping schedule last summer, right? Still, we gotta do the work. Let's get it. I was literally thinking like maybe if I wake up super early and I just drink pre-workout because it has a lot of caffeine. Like bro, comment down below if you think that's a good idea, bro. Life is good, bro. Bro, come on, man. Yeah. Bro, where is he going, bro? Where is he going? Alright, he's just laying there. You just want to lay there. Alright, bro. Come on. Let's get it. I don't know what is going on. I'm not sure what's going on inside of his head, but he clearly doesn't want to go back home yet. But I do. Feel me? Like, did you see that shit? Did you see that shit? Alright guys, alright. So the thing here is 1:24 a.m. in my country. And I'm not even tired, bro. It's so crazy. My sleeping schedule was alright, but now it's just fucked up again. Summertime, man. Regardless, we have to do the work anyways. And maybe I should just wake up early and do the pre-workout thing. Like, you wake up like, I wake up, this is my bed, and this is my alarm. I have to walk to it, and there's like a pre-workout drink, and I press the alarm, and I just, and then I'm not tired anymore, you feel me? Like, shout out to Keto King. I heard him say that maybe I should try that shit out, but you know, just this is my bed, this is my alarm. Walk to the alarm. There's the pre-workout, bunch of caffeine inside of me, and boom, I'm early. I'm wake up, and then I'm gonna fix my sleeping schedule. Let's see what's gonna happen. Maybe I'm gonna figure that shit out, but I don't think I'm gonna eat some food right now. I know, fucking eating at night, crazy, ain't it? There's like steak and everything, but I don't know if it's worth it to eat that heavy. Who the fuck cares, bro? Honestly, who the fuck cares? But yeah, this was the day in life. Welcome, and make sure to join the free Discord from the description and press the sub button, because you know, I feel me like, do you really want to miss out on these kind of videos? Be like, anyways, peace out.